Hello, viewers, my YouTube friends. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to share with you one of my traveling experience that I have traveled in last year. So, one of the sunny day in the last summer, I have traveled from Oil Township Duliajan to nearest Commercial Hub Tinsukia. Both these two places are situated in Upper Assam, around 600 km away from the Guwahati city. Duliajan is my native town because I born and brought up in an oil Indian family here. And another interesting thing is that Tinsukia is the nearest business hub where we do frequently visit for shopping, marketing, movie, and roaming around with our family and friends. So, Tinsukia during my childhood, it becomes like nearest and only one fashion feasta that we know during that time. It is situated around 25 km far from Duliajan, and it requires near about 45 to 50 minutes to reach. And from Guwahati, it is 600 km away, so it required near about 12 to 13 hours to reach this place. Now I'm sharing my another most common experience in my childhood to till now, that the journey from Duliajan to Tinsukia is always fascinating due to the reason because abundance number of tea gardens. We all know Assam tea, the pride of Assam, are available here. The widespread green gardens and the black pepper trees in tea gardens, the clear blue sky, the smooth and clean road make during driving easy and relaxed for sometimes. This has provided me immense pleasure and satisfaction traveling through such natural beauty and serenity, in our cozy car by resonating every possible evergreen hymns made each moment countable there. I am sure if you will visit Upper Assam, definitely you will like it. So don't forget to share your experience with me. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.